Hi everyone! To remove your phone number from Discord, you need to open the application and select You. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right, then tap on this gear icon at the top right, and then select Account. Find your phone number, tap on that, tap on Remove Phone Number, and enter your password and just hit Done. Your phone number will be removed. And keep in mind that you can remove your phone number only if you have confirmed email here. You can't remove both contacts at the same time. The steps are pretty the same on a computer. You need to click on the gear icon next to your profile name and stay on your Account tab. Find your phone number, but I haven't added my phone number to this account yet, but you will have the remove button over here. Click on that, enter your password, and just remove your phone number. And that's so simple. If this video was helpful, leave a like, consider to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.